Well, good morning. This is one of two demonstrations that we're going to give you, or two videos, to show you the measurement of the part. Now, we've got your part on the Excel. The only reason for that is that we don't have a vertex here at the moment, but the head is the same, the rotary is the same, and the software is the same. So it's the same process, it's just on a bigger machine. So work with me on the idea. So the idea of this is to give you a concept of how this would all work. Now, what we've done is we've glued a pin to your part and put it in the rotary device. It's as crude as that. It would need to be held a lot better than that. And what we're going to do is I have a measuring routine, and we're going to show you another video of the measuring routine shortly, but you can see that that's it there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press go, and it's going to start running the program. Now I'm going to come back to the measuring head here. Now what this is doing now is it's basically focusing on the top surface. It's leveling up the face to start with. So it does it automatically, and now it's going to start measuring the part. So it's looking at things like the holes, and as I say, we'll send you a second video so you can see what's going on the screen. There's not a lot going on at the moment, but if you look here, the lighting is variable, the zoom is variable, and basically now it's measuring holes, lines, and also heights and stuff like that, so depths on this. Now we've also got some touch probe capability here. We put a little bit of it in. We haven't measured every single feature, but I think we've got about 40 or 50. If we split it down into op 14 and op 15, we've probably got the most of op 15 going on here. Okay, so it's going to go and get the touch probe, look, and now it's going to measure these holes on this side. So if we bring that round now here, so you can see, so you've got just a three-way probe on here, only because that's what we had in the rack. So I've just used what was available, and I'm only using this to set up some length measurements. We can obviously measure the bore diameters by looking at them when we rotate them round, and we're going to do the hole positions for the threaded portions of this by rotating it anyway. So you can see it's measuring the three bores, and that's all it's doing on that. We can obviously measure the bore, the large bore facing us as well, but I haven't done that in this case. Anyway, so that's putting it back. And what we should now see is, I think the part should rotate. There we go. And now it's going to do this face. Okay, so here we go. It's measuring, and it's now doing things like diameters, heights and positions and depths. So right down the bottom of that hole, look, and it's focusing up. Doing the same again on the other hole. So it's now measuring holes, the diameters, the slots, and again you're going to see this on the second video. So carry on measuring, doing some more heights, as I say. Once it's done that, it's going to rotate the part around on the other side. There we go. And now it's going to measure the top face. So that's doing all the positions of the holes, maybe some depth as well. You can see the lighting changes, etc. It's completed the task. That's the end of the program.